Come here, Missy Miss. Ready? You know how to do this. Here we go. You can't feed yourself.
Open up. Oh, that's disgusting.
No, eat it up.
Yummy, 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 yum.
Eat it up.
Maybe some of it's going down.
Yeah, we wanted to get used to it. Ready? Not yet, it's too soon.
Yeah. Oh, she spit it right out. Look. Yummy.
Watch, baby mama will have some. Ella, look. It's yummy. Do you want to try some? Ella's turn? Get me out of here. Stop. Okay, I think that's enough.
Ellie, did you get some food on your face?
Come here, you're just making a mess.
Good job, Ella. Way to go. Congratulations. Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. Yay! Yay!
You got it on your nose. Good job, honey butt.
Whee! Good job, Ella.